So how was that ride? Tell the camera. How far did we go?
We went really far. We went really far.
Where are we? We're by the lake, right?
Yes, yeah. And we're all alone.
It's very peaceful out here. And we brought a picnic?
Yes, yeah.
What did you bring?
Crackers and peanut butter. Cookies. Mommy!
Yeah?
Hey, how's it going?
Good. What's up, guys?
Napkins? If we fall in the water, then we'll be dead with sharks eating us. What's a spoon for?
No, not necessarily. The spoon's for Lola's yogurt.
Oh yeah, the yogurt's down here.
I noticed that the first thing you opened is the cookies. Yes.